Hi, my name is Tessie and I'm a puppeteer, and I want to show you the marionettes that I made from scratch. Alright, so this is a clothes organizer, and I always have this when I'm working on marionettes. And this is my control, and this is a tie holder, but of course you can just use a rod and just drill holes on the rods. Okay, and then I have always, when I'm using the marionette, just a belt that I put around my neck, this here. Okay, so the head is made of Christmas balls. It's made of styrofoam. I put one string on the left temple and the right temple. And then, when I string the three marionettes, the heads don't usually work. I mean, I don't usually move the head. The reason I just put two strings so that they're not gonna turn. And then two threads on the shoulder. The same reason, you don't want the shoulder to turn around. As you can see, the head and the shoulders are tied here in this bar. And it's the same thing with the other marionettes. And then the next threads would be the hand. And I just used beads, wooden beads, so that there's a weight. See, on the leg, I put something, it's what you use for screws. It's just something heavier than this so that the legs will come down. It's not going to float. I use the scarves or soft materials, and one is controlling their left hands, and the other one controls the right. So I'm going to hang this here. I don't mess around with their head, because it really gets complicated when you have to add another bar here just to manipulate their heads, that the heads tilt. So there are basic movements, up, down, or you may like this, or you shake and you shake, sit, and or you can cross over, something like this. Or you can turn around sideways, because the audience will see a different angle, and turn to the other side. Whenever you're manipulating three puppets or more than one puppet, the simpler the better, because you don't want them to tangle. Alright, I tied them together because I don't want them to tangle. So one thing when you're working with marionettes, always tie them together.